dropping this car off. It's the last time you guys are going to see this car that under my ownership anyway. So we're going to get rid of the ProCharge vet, and there's something else we're going to be picking up, or is going to be following us home today. I'll put it that way.
New baby.
Oh my God, it looks exactly like the other one.
That's what I'm saying.
Almost exactly like it.
Yeah.
So this will be the new baby. This is, and I just put a charger on it for shits and giggles. Steel power windows, power locks, and all that stuff. And like I told you, the hiccup on this car is that Brody built this car. So Brody Melton was on Street Outlaws. He did the No Prep King stuff and all that. He's big into like West Texas oil field stuff. Super nice guy. Yep. This car's set with Steve for I guess a year and a half. And the story on the car is Brody built this car and he just kept building, kept doing stuff to it. This was his like baby. This is, I mean, and everybody has this and that to say about MMR motors and this, that, and the other, and FFRE and all that. I don't know. I'm not into it. I don't know. I know that basically when he called MMR and had this motor built, he clicked every damn button they allowed him to click. And I mean, it's got every single thing you can possibly get. Yeah. Single 98mm turbo. You can just lift the hood. It's ready.
Yeah, it's ready. Lift it.
I need a little bar or something to stick in it.
I need one of them shook sticks, man.
I know. Y'all stole it.
You have the vet one.
Hey, you know what I got?
Yeah, we left it at the
That's
house.
a Rain-X thing.
I got a, it's not a snap-on one like I have, but I do have an additional
Look at these hands.
Bro. What? That's what I'm saying,
What are you
man.
looking at?
The head.
Oh my
Maybe right there.
Lanta.
There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
So this is, I mean, everything you can click on this deal. Single 98mm Pro Mod turbo. I mean, he literally spent the money to have this thing legit, and so it needs updated. He built this car when this car was brand new. I don't even know how many miles are on this car, but it's not a lot. So he built this car into a race car immediately. This has everything, but if it's me and I know what I like to do, I'm putting this, your ice and water tank, your ice tank, I'm putting it in the floorboard down there, so it's accessible, it's easy, it gets it out from under the hood. You know, I'm moving this, your puke tank and stuff, I'm moving that to the trunk like it's supposed to be, because I found out the hard way that you don't want them up there. When that goes boom, and all of a sudden you're Josh jumping out, and I'm on fire, Ricky Bobby, I'm on fire.
Help me, Jesus! Help me, Jewish God! Help me, Allah! Ah!
That's kind of where it's at. Had the correct bumper built for the front of it, cut out perfectly. I do have the additional headlight for it, which it's in a tote somewhere, but we do have the headlights for it. I have the new optic armor front and rear windows for it, brand new in the box that he brought me. It's a great car. It is an extremely heavy car because that's no prepping, that's what they want. So it's not built to be lightweight and all this crazy small tire stuff. So it's literally built to be
It's built to hook on dirt, basically.
correct.
That's what it's built for.
From what he told me before he put this motor in there, he said, dude, this thing will go down a gravel road.
You know what we could do? So to protect this, we can do the same thing we do on the Camaros. We'll put a firewall over here. Would probably be best. That way you can keep your hoses nice and short and you don't have to worry about them. Because you're always going to have this in the area. So we can build a small firewall right there. I think would be the best thing for us to do because we got the shear brakes and all that stuff. Or we can build it out of billet if we...
Brand new injectors in it. Those injectors are brand new.
What are they?
Those are Fuel Tech, what are they? 720s.
Okay.
Yeah, 720s.
That's a lot.
It's a lot.
Yeah, so.
I mean, this thing is, it is a very, what's up? Okay. So it's, I mean, he put the effort into this car. I mean, he really did put the effort into this car. Thing you can possibly do to it. I mean,
S71's on it too.
Yeah, he's got the old school welds on it. I mean, it's already got the studs in it. I would put studs in the rear. I don't like how short those are.
Yeah, that Well, they're longer than the vets were when they
Yeah.
started with it.
Yeah, but
We had like 2 threads of engagement on it.
and he
so.
planned on doing all that and doing different wheels and all that stuff whenever he bought that motor, but he never got past the motor blowing up a
I
bunch.
think I have a set of studs for one of these at the house too. So.
If not, they're very easy to come
Yeah.
across. But this one has all the upgraded axles. It's got the 9-inch in it, so it's not a solid axle. It's still IRS, but it has every upgrade you can possibly put in the rear end of it. Transmission, like I said, Mark Mickey Turbo 400 with a clean neutral. I liked it because it's still set up user friendly.
Oh yeah, so M&M are probably the best shifters on.
Well, and your bump control's right there. It's mounted right there. I mean, he kind of made it to where it's still user friendly. So if you go to set your bump, you ain't got to open the glove box. All the glove box and the rest of the panels are right back there for the dash and everything. So it's all there, but obviously it's going to be modified to fit it.
100%.
You can legitimately put all that back together and make it look like a stock interior.
All right, so it looks like we got Blackie back
Yeah, we got like Blackie back and we got a new Blackie, I guess.
for one day,
Yeah.
because it might be gone.
Yeah, it might be gone. We'll have to see. Y'all should have bought it.
So what you got as an update? What just went down? What happened?
Okay, so we went in there, traded off the ProCharge C7 for another S550, the 17 S550.
Big Ford guy.
Yeah, I guess. That has a billet motor.
Maybe you get that Ford rig.
Yeah. I don't know about that. We're not ready to go that far into it yet. You know, maybe if Ford stepped up and sponsored us, then I'd think about it. So I need some Ford contact.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take Blackie back home. The other car is gonna follow us home, and we're gonna go through that car. Probably swap the transmission for the fuel tech. Probably put a fuel tech in it. Get Steve to tune it, and do some fun stuff. We'll see what.
How much work do you think we're gonna have to do with that car?
It'll take a couple of weeks to get it right, I think. But that being said, the safest thing for us to do would probably be just go through it. I mean, we need to go through it. I'll be doing some new stuff. We may be getting another Chevrolet, another Corvette. We'll just have to see how that deal works out. And if it does, then Chewy will finally get to see his ZR1 up there. No, I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna get to drive it. That's what's gonna happen.
Yeah, that's it. Chewy, can you drive a 4L lady?
I mean, well, I'll figure it out.
Yeah.
We can watch YouTube videos.
Yeah, we'll watch it. That's my winning question. Watch YouTube
Yep.
and like and subscribe if you don't already know, guys.
There you go.
So, yeah, you gotta like and subscribe to learn off of the video. That might be slightly deceptive, but it's fine.